Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting uniform bills or prop money so the effect reads clean on camera. Once done, position a fan or compact blower about 1-2 feet behind the release point. This gives predictable airflow. Make sure to secure a weighted anchor to prevent movement and set your camera aperture and shutter for crisp motion. You'll also mark the release spot and rehearse a few dry runs. This saves time and avoids surprises when you actually film. Now you focus on the mechanics of the drop. You want a clean, even release. Fan bills slightly in your hand or roll them to create consistent edges, and time the drop with the blower's steady gust. Once done, run tests at low, medium, and high speeds to see which produces the desired float without chaos. Make sure to rehearse counts with any helper so you hit exact beats for camera, and adjust release height by small increments until the motion looks effortless. Finish by capturing several full takes, including high frame rate footage if you want slow motion glamour. You should verify exposure and white balance between takes, and vary shutter speed to sharpen or blur motion as needed. Once done, collect bills promptly to prevent loss and tidy the set using gloves and a soft broom. If things go wrong, bills clumping or hugging the fan, reduce blower speed slightly and alter your release angle. That single tweak,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.